Hello, my name is Lady Alejandra Diaz Villa. I am 26 years old. I am studying industrial energy. I don't work. I am live Cali, Colombia. I get off at 8 o'clock a.m. Later, I prepare my breakfast and brunch meet 10 at 18:12 a.m. I done the house chores and the laundry and clean and the bathroom. At the start, take and the shower at the 12:30 p.m. and lunch later at 1:30 p.m. at 2 o'clock p.m. I take a nap and at 2 o'clock p.m. do my house from college and house as not at 6 o'clock p.m. and at 6:12 p.m. have dinner and under that I study. Other p.m. o'clock finish. I watch TV 10 at 12 p.m. good sleep.